Hello and welcome to the Reseller Resource. Today we'll be going through claiming for inventory that Amazon has lost in shipments that you send in. Do you find sometimes that you'll send a box into Amazon, they'll check everything in, and then all of a sudden you'll find that maybe only 9 of your 10 units you sent in have actually been received by Amazon? If so, there's a very easy way to check this and to actually claim to get your money back from Amazon for the items that they've lost. The first thing you want to do is in Seller Central. If you go to the shipments pane up at the top and click on that, that will load all of your shipments that you've been sending into Amazon. If you scroll down, you'll see the ones that have closed. These are the ones that are you've closed within about 2 weeks of sending them into Amazon, 2 weeks of them actually receiving and checking them in. If you scroll down, you'll see that there might actually be some there. For example, the one that is shown now, where it says closed, the expected units are 50, but the actual received units are 49. So we'll want to go into that one because that's one where Amazon have actually lost one of our items in the process of checking it in. So I'll just go over here and click track shipment, and that will load the shipment summary page for the item. If you then go over to contents, there's just a contents tab there, and tick show discrepancies only, you'll see the item that they've lost. So here in this case, that's a travel mug that they've lost. It doesn't matter what the item is, but what you can do is on the status bit, you can choose research missing units. I'm not sure why you do units not shipped, but that would be if you haven't actually sent them in. But you can choose research missing units. If you then click on that, then scroll down and it'll ask you for a proof of inventory ownership. Basically, all you need is a VAT invoice from the retailer or wholesaler or whoever you've bought it from. So you need a VAT invoice. It needs to match your address, obviously. Ideally have your business name on it. All you need to do at that point is upload the PDF. So you click choose file, it will load a file selector and you choose a PDF, then click upload file and it will put it in a case for you. All you do here in step 3 is give additional information. Literally all you need to type is something like units were all shipped in the box. From there, click preview your request. What it will do is it will come up with the selections, and then all you need to do is click OK, and it will submit that as a case to Amazon for you. Their automated process will then have a look at that. It will work out based on the historic sale price of the item what you're due to be reimbursed, and then they'll reimburse you for it. Whole process can take anywhere from 15 minutes for them to do that up to about a week. If they need more information, if your invoice isn't correct, it's with the wrong address or something like that, they'll go and ask you for it to be submitted again. And that's basically it. It's very, very important to stay on top of this because Amazon, with all of their warehousing, all of their automated check-in processes, they do lose stock, they do misplace it, and they do find it at a later date. And they'll if they reimburse you, then they'll claw back that reversal if they do find your stock at a later date, and they'll add the stock back for you instead. Thanks very much for watching. This has been a video from the Reseller Resource. Remember to join our free Discord server. There's a link in the description. You can ask questions, connect with other new sellers on their Amazon journey, and you can find written guides and resources.